Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 4 of your assessment paper number 12. Now this question is an algebra question, and I've taken a look at all the algebra questions in the past years. They were all very simple. Okay, in fact this one is one of the most simplest things you will ever come across. But that can be good news for you or bad news for you, because in your year, in other words in your PSLE year, they might choose to continue this trend. In other words, the algebra questions will always be easy, or it could be superbly difficult. We don't know. Okay, but I'm going to be testing you some algebra questions on my own in the next few weeks, because these ones are seriously too simple. Okay, you understand when you look at this question. So let's look at the question right now, and I'll show you why. Okay, it says Kim, Linda, and Ming are going for a holiday. Each of them has one suitcase. The mass of Ming's suitcase is Y kilograms. Kim's suitcase is twice as heavy as Ming's, and mass of Linda's suitcase is 8 kg more than that of Kim's suitcase. Very simple. So what I'll just simply do is just write down K, L, and M. Okay, they said K was Y kilograms. Ling was twice of Y. That means 2Y. Simple, right? And Ming was 8 kgs more than Ling, I think. The mass of Ming is Y. The mass of Kim's is twice as heavy as Ming's. And then the mass of Linda's is 8 kg more than that of Kim. So therefore, 8 kg more than that of Kim. So Y plus 8 kilograms. Correct? Let's just check again. Okay, express the mass of Linda's suitcase in terms of Y. So Linda's suitcase is, alright, I already put there. So 2 times, the working is just part A, 2 times Y. Gives me 2Y kilograms. Simple. Part B, okay, it says, if Y equals to 9, find the total mass of the 3 suitcases. So first of all, what you want to do is you just want to add everything. So what you'll do is you take Y plus 2Y plus Y plus 8. And that will give me what? Y plus 2Y equals to 3Y. 3Y plus another Y give me 4Y. And then do we have only other numbers besides 8? No, we don't. So therefore 4Y plus 8 kilograms. If Y is equals to 7, therefore 4Y, 4 times 7 plus 8 equals to the total, which is 7 times 4, which gives me 28. 28 plus 8 gives you 36 kilograms. And that is the answer for A and B. Oh, Y equals to 9. Sorry about that. So 9 times 4 is 36 plus 8 will give me what? 44 kilograms. And that is the answer. Alright, that's it for this question. Actually, it's superbly fast. I can do it in a second, not like in a minute. And that's it. And again, like I said, a challenge is another chance for you to shine. Now, this question is not a challenge. I don't like no challenges. Okay? But of course, you can just, for some questions, more of the questions in your PSLE will be a bit easier. But the challenge questions are the one which determines whether you are an A student or a B student. So I know you are an A student and an A star student, so take that challenge, and because that is your chance to get your A star. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good